Dreen from Kosovo.
Sheikh, my question is regarding the dua that is said after the gathering, which is Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdik, ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. So now if I'm in the masjid listening to a lecture and the Imam is done lecturing, but he doesn't say the dua when he is done, and he has made an unintentional mistake during the lecture, and I say this dua when he is done, will this be an expiation for the Imam's mistake? Jazakallahu khairan.
Wajazak. First of all, the dua is a highly recommended dua to say and conclude lots of things with. Mother Aisha says the Prophet used to say this dua whenever he concludes a dua, whenever he concludes a gathering, and even when he concludes reading the Quran. A lot of the ignorant people say Sadaqallahu al-Azim, which is an innovation. What you should say is La ilaha illa anta subhanak, the dua of Kafarat al-Majlis, Subhanakallah wa hamdik, ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. This is highly recommended in the Sunnah as per the hadith of Mother Aisha radiallahu anha. So if the Imam makes a mistake in his lecture, Allah forgives him, because this is not laghu, it's a mistake. It was unintentional. So whether he says the dua or not, inshallah, he's forgiven. You saying it, I believe it does not have any value to the Imam and the congregation, but if you say it for your own sake, there's nothing wrong in that, inshallah. And have you ever taken a counseling session with me? Go to my website and you will find counseling sessions and apply for one. If you can afford it, that's good for you. If you cannot, you're entitled for one free session. And this is for everybody. If they can affirm by Allah that they cannot afford it because they're poor, I'll give them one free session without a problem, a full half an hour. So come to me and let's speak about it, inshallah, within the following 2 days or 3 days. And bi'idhnillah azza wa jal, I will try and seek Allah's guidance to solve your problem once and for all, bi'idhnillah.